3, 2!
It's time to bring back the power of our smiles dito sa Well Wellness. Ating pag-uusapan ang ngiting hindi lamang brilliant sa puti, kailangan healthy rin.
Now, more often than not, when we say smile, ang fixation ng karamihan ay nasa ngipin. But for your overall oral hygiene, dapat din pangalagaan ang gums natin. Remember, dyan nakadikit ang ngipin.
And here with us, parang mapanatili laging healthy at maputi ang ating teeth and gums, let's please welcome Dr. Philip Galvan of Galvan Dental Care. Doc, hello. How come the gums are siya yung parang black sheep ng bunganga? Neglected, forgotten. You pay attention to teeth but not to the gums.
Actually, kawawa talaga ang gums kasi siya yung hindi napapansin dahil hindi sumaspect.
Okay, so yun lang yun.
So, let's talk about gum disease naman kasi medyo malinat ata yung mangyari. Ano yung mga symptoms ng gum disease that people should look out for?
First, if you see na namamaga or may konting redness yung gums mo, when you see that there will be bleeding pag nagbabrush or floss ka, those are signs na may gum disease ka.
Hindi yung sign na parang sumisipilyo ka lang ng sobrang excited.
Actually, misconception, akala nila masyado sila nagbabrush ng madiin. It's actually, yung gums mo ay namamaga kaya it bruises easily pag nagbabrush and floss.
So parang weak na yung gums,
Yes.
kaya
Yes. Actually, isa pang sign is when you start smelling something.
Ay!
Oh, talaga. Oh, lahat ng tao dito may gum disease. Kung gano'n. Kailangan pumunta sa clinic ninyo. Okay. You mentioned that the pain is the only telltale sign. Is there other things that I should look out for aside from hindi masakit, but maybe there's a discoloration, maybe masyado na siyang nakaangat and too much of my tooth is exposed? Are those also signs?
Yes, sa mga severe cases ng gum disease, you will see those signs. Merong moving and shifting ng ngipin, may just bleeding, kita mo na may discoloration, buo by the gum area.
Okay.
And gums will also receive.
Well, obviously, we don't want to wait for it to get to that stage. What are some of the things that people are doing now that's causing or contributing to, your gums deteriorating?
One is hindi pagsisipilyo, hindi sila nagpa-floss. Smoking is a big factor, alcohol also, those sugary beverages, malaking effect yun. And not seeing the dentist regularly.
So a dental appointment, usually you should have one twice every year, diba?
Yes.
At the very least.
Yes.
When is it time to go to the dentist? Kunyari, if they're exhibiting symptoms like that, kailangan na baka agad pumunta sa dentista o pwede lang silang mag-floss ng mas maigi or mag-brush ng teeth more times a day?
Well, I would advise to see their dentist right away so they can evaluate and see kung ano yung problema and at least they can recommend what's the necessary steps to fix the problem.
And are there remedies na ina-offer ninyo in order to prevent gum disease aside from the usual just brushing and flossing?
To prevent gum disease would be the regular cleaning, enforcement of the brushing and flossing.
So disiplina lang mga ka-nation ang kailangan natin para hindi tayo magkaroon ng gingivitis.
Yeah. And it's recommended that you see a doctor like Dr. Galvan who will constantly remind you, because sometimes we forget, we go so infrequently na nakakalimutan natin na, these are the things you're supposed to do on a daily basis.
Or tinatamad tayo.
Or tinatamad tayo, which by the way, Dr. Philip reminded me that you're supposed to floss before you brush and not the other way around.
Yes.
And the reason for that is?
Because when you floss, it frees the ipits in between the teeth.
So when you brush,
you can clean more the in-between teeth.
That's good to know.
So there's so many things we can learn from a good dentist. And of course, if you live in the Vallejo or Fremont area, Galvan Dental Care has clinics in those locations.
In Fremont, it's called the Smile Studio of Family Dentistry, correct? Okay. Very good. Well, thank you very much for joining us, Doc. Hopefully, I will never have to see you for gum disease.
Hopefully.
Kasi sisipilyo na ako at mag-floss. Promise.
Okay, but if you do get to see Doc Galvan, you know where he's located. Okay, thank you for being here. And mga ka-nation, we give you more of these valuable tips for confident smiles in the episodes to come.
And salamat po. And it looks like we have, ito ba yung mga binibigay mo,
Goodie bag.
Goodie bag.
Okay.
See? So, may bonus. Nakabisita ka na nga sa dentista, may sipilyo ka.
Okay, and here is somebody who really brings out the smiles in everybody. Let's welcome si Kulot natin nakabarangay si Jello at ang kanyang busa rap.
And cut!